Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is onion bhajis. It's a reworking of an old video. I thought I could do it better. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. It must be said, every time I order an Indian takeaway, I have a couple of these on the side. To prepare these onion bhajis is simplicity itself. Simply put all the ingredients in a large bowl and using your hand, mix and mash, squeezing the onions to release the moisture, and simply keep doing this until the moisture is released and you can form the onion mixture into nice tight balls. If you need to add a splash of water, fair enough, but I'd persevere with the squeeze method first because it always seems to come together for me. When you've formed all the balls, heat enough oil in a pan for deep frying to a medium temperature, say 165 degrees C. When the oil is up to temperature, deep fry the bhajis in batches, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Serve warm or cold, whatever you feel like. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and hopefully we'll see you again soon sometime. Bye for now.